It's that heat, boy.
Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm actually going to be teaching you how to do this brand new Grand Theft Auto 5 glitch. But guys, before we get into the glitch, I just gotta say, if you are new to the channel and wouldn't mind subscribing with post notifications on, liking the video and commenting hashtag #PadPlays in the comment section, that would be really appreciated. Sorry guys, that there would be really appreciated. And also guys, I am doing a Grand Theft Auto 5 giveaway for $5 million, so if you do want to enter, just follow the steps on the screen right now. And yeah guys, that's all I gotta say, so enjoy the video. Peace. Alright guys, first you need to go and make your way over to the casino. Now guys, once you're in the casino, all you need to do is you need to make your way over to this here bar right here. This bar is just located right in front of the casino, or inside of the casino as soon as you go through the two doors. Now guys, what you need to do from here is literally just order drinks until you pass out. So I just kept ordering vodka shots because they're the strongest. So yeah, just order drinks until you pass out guys. Alright people, now that you've actually passed out and you spawn back in, you should spawn right inside of the toilets in the casino. Once you spawn inside of the toilets guys, what you need to do is just make your way out of the toilets. Now guys, once you've made your way out of the toilets, what you need to do is actually make your way over to this here diamond miner machine. This here machine is literally just located right here. So the way to get to it is actually going through the entrance and past the cashier, and then you need to make your way up here. So guys, now that you find the diamond miner machine, what you need to do now is just sit down on it and go first person mode. And what you need to do from now is just make your bet max, which should be 2,500 chips, by clicking Y or triangle. Now from here guys, all you need to do is start spinning the slot machine. Alright guys, this is here where the actual glitch kicks in. What you need to do guys is actually not get off your seat whenever you lose all your money. But what you want to do guys is actually go and click the home button, and what you want to do is actually quit off your game. Yes, quit off your game, but make sure to not get off the seat or you will lose your money. So I'm going to restart my game real quick guys. Alright guys, from here, once you spawn in, all you need to do is just make your way over to the casino again. Alright guys, once you actually do go over to the casino and actually do enter it, as you can see, once your game loads up, you will actually have the exact same amount of chips as you had before you actually wasted it all on the slot machines. So as you can see here, if you look at the top right hand corner of my screen, I've got 125k chips, and before guys I only had 2,000. And the reason this is because Rockstar actually admitted, so once you get in the seat guys, it doesn't auto save at all until you get off the seat. So the way the glitch works is if you don't get off the seat, then you won't lose any of your chips. But anyway guys, I'm just going to proceed to go back over to the slot machines. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to show you how to save your winnings now. So I'm at the head here and I won 1.2 mil. And all you need to do from here after winning is actually exit off the seat. But once you actually exit off the seat, you need to go into the interaction menu by holding in the back button. Once you've done that there guys, you need to go down to style and change your outfit to anything, it doesn't matter. So what this does is actually make the game force save, as you can see at the bottom right hand corner of my screen. And now that means my chips are saved. and I can now use them for whatever. But guys, that is pretty much the video, and I hope you guys actually did enjoy. Yeah, I also know the mic quality is not that good. Once again, guys, my mic is actually broke, but I will be getting a new one in a couple of weeks' time. And but yeah, do not forget to subscribe with post notifications on, like the video, and comment hashtag Pop Plays. And yeah, peace.